Welcome to Pune, Maharashtra's cultural capital. Whether for business or leisure, explore the city with KP Travels, Pune and Mumbai's #1 car rental service, trusted since 2011. Our brand new fleet, including Indica, Swift Desire, Tavera, Innova, and many buses, comes with AC and non-AC options, driven by verified, experienced drivers for a safe and comfortable journey. Travel made easy with Mumbai to Pune daily cabs and Pune to Mumbai daily cabs from KP Travels. Enjoy reliable, comfortable rides every day. Book your cab online now. Need reliable airport transfers? KP Travels offers Mumbai to Pune airport cabs and Pune to Mumbai airport cabs at the best prices. Book your airport cab online today for a smooth, hassle-free journey. Backed by 14 years of experience, KP Travels guarantees reliable and professional cab services, your trusted partner for every journey. Cheerful customers celebrating their journeys with KP Travels. Experience the difference with KP Travels, where your journey is our priority.